Morning student, today we are going to start our new exercise 2.7 that deals with division of decimals. So to understand, let's do question number 1 to understand the topic division of decimal. Okay, so let's take first part 0.4 divided by 2. So question number 1, find first part 0.4 divided by 2. Here are some steps to solve division of decimal. First step is to convert decimal into fraction. Then second step we have to change division sign by doing the reciprocal of the number after division sign. And then third step we have to convert the fraction obtained into decimal. Let's understand it with this question. First step is to convert the decimal into a fraction. So this is a decimal. We have to convert this decimal into a fraction. So this is 0.4 divided by 2. So to convert this decimal into a fraction, we have to remove this decimal, and in place of this decimal, we have to write 1 in the denominator. After decimal, there is 1 digit in the numerator. So we have to write 1 0 in the denominator. Now second step is to change the division sign. So to change the division sign, this division sign get converted into multiplication sign. And to convert this multiplication sign, division sign into multiplication, we have to do a reciprocal of this number, the number after the division sign. Okay, so reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, now we will simplify this. This is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so it will become 2 by 10. Now this is the fraction obtained. Now we have to convert this fraction into decimal. There is 1 0 in the denominator, so we have to put decimal after 1 digit in the numerator, counting from the backward. So this will become 0.2. So to understand it more clearly, let's take one more part 5, and part 5 is 651.2 divided by 4. So what is the first step? First step is to convert this decimal into a fraction. So 651.5 divided by 4. We have to remove this decimal. In place of this decimal, we will write 1 in the denominator. After decimal, there is 1 digit, so we have to write 1 0 in the denominator. Now second step is to convert the division sign into multiplication sign. So to convert the division sign into multiplication sign, we have to do the reciprocal of this number. So reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. Now we will simplify this. So it will come out to be we can check this. हम लोग यहाँ डिवाइड करके देख लेते हैं. Oh, it is 1628. ठीक है, 1628. So it is 1628 divided by 10. So we have to convert this fraction into a decimal. There is 1 0 in the denominator, so we have to put decimal after 1 digit, counting from the backward in the numerator. So 1628 पीछे से गिनेंगे 1, so this is 162.8. Okay. Now all other parts of this question are your homework. Now move on to question number 2. Find 4.8 divided by 10. Let's do fifth part. I will solve only one part of this question number 2. Fifth part, 272.23 divided by 10. Question number 2, fifth part, 272.23 divided by 10. Steps will remain the same. first we have to convert this decimal into a fraction. So 272.23 divided by 10. Here we have to remove this decimal. In place of this decimal we will write 1 in the denominator. After decimal there are 2 zeros in the numerator, so we have to write 2 digits in the numerator, so we have to write 2 zeros in the denominator. Now we will convert this division sign into a multiplication sign. So to do that we have to do the reciprocal of the other number. So the reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10. So it will become 27223, and we will multiply a numerator with numerator and the denominator with denominator. So 27,223 into 1 is 27,223, and 100 into 10 is 1000. Now there are 3 zeros in the denominator. We have to put decimal after 3 digits in the numerator, counting from the backward. So this is 27223. पीछे से गिनेंगे हम 1 2 3. So answer is 27.223. Okay, and all other part of this question, steps will remain the same, procedure is the same. So all other parts of this question number 2 is your homework. Now move on to question number 3. Find. Same thing, steps will remain the same. Question number 3 is also the same. The only difference is that in every question the decimal is divided by 100. So 2.7 divided by 100. Same, we have to convert this decimal into a fraction. So 2.7 divided by 100. We will remove this decimal, and in place of this decimal we will write 1. We will write 1 in the denominator, and after decimal there is 1 digit in the numerator, so we have to so there is one digit there is 1 digit after decimal, so we have to write 10 in the denominator. So now next step is to convert this decimal division sign into a fraction. So this is 27 by 10 into, and we have to do the reciprocal of this, 1 by 100. Now multiply a numerator with a numerator and a denominator with a denominator. 27 into 1 is 27, 10 into 100 is 1000. Now here there are 3 zeros in the denominator, so we have to put decimal after 3 digit in the numerator, but there are only 2 digits in the numerator, so we will write 10, 123.0. so this is 0.027. and all other part of question number 3 are your homework, and question number 4 is also your homework because the procedure is the same. So that's all for today. Thank you.